In this tip, we are going to explore some of the F key shortcuts. On your keyboard, the F keys will be at the very top of the keyboard. On a laptop, these may be shared with other keys which require the Fn key to be pressed. This ICT tip is for the F keys and not the menu keys. To access these keys, you just press them as any other key on the keyboard. You don't need to remember all of these, just pick one or two that might make your life just that little bit easier. Pressing F1 will open up the help page in any Microsoft program, including Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. F2 is a quick way of renaming a folder. Just click on the folder, press F2, and then start typing the new name. When in any Microsoft program, hold down your control button and press F2. This will open up the preview and options menu. If you press the F3 key while in an active internet browser or Windows Explorer, it will open up the search box. If you select any text while in Word or Outlook and then press the Shift key and the F3 key, it would change the text formatting from lowercase to proper to all caps and back to lowercase. If you have not selected any text, it will change the last word before the cursor. If you press F4 while in Word or Excel, it will repeat the last action. So in this example, if we select and format cell B1 and then go to cell C1, press F4, it will repeat the formatting style we just used. Pressing Alt plus F4 will close an active window. Pressing F5 in Word opens up the Find and Replace box. Pressing F5 in Excel opens up the Go To box. In PowerPoint, if you press F5, it will start the presentation from the beginning. If you press Shift plus F5, it will start the presentation from the current slide. Pressing F5 while in a web browser will refresh the page. Pressing F5 while in a folder will refresh the folder. Pressing Ctrl plus F5 while in a web browser will clear the cache and refresh the page. This can be particularly useful if you are having issues loading the page. Pressing F6 in most internet browsers will highlight the text in the address bar, as the example below. This is particularly useful if you wish to copy and paste the URL or want to type over the top. Pressing F7 will open up the spell check in Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. In Word, if you press Shift plus F7, this will open the thesaurus. If you press Ctrl plus F7, this will open the dictionary. Pressing Alt plus F8 in any Microsoft program will open the macro window. Selecting a line of text within Word and then pressing Shift plus F8 will minimize the amount of text selected. Pressing Alt plus F9 while in Word will show or hide the field names. This is particularly useful if you are mail merging. Pressing Ctrl plus F9 will insert an empty field. Pressing F9 while in Outlook will refresh the send and receive. Pressing F10 while in a Microsoft program will activate the shortcuts on the menu bar. You can then press any letter to navigate your way around without using the mouse. Pressing the Shift key plus F10 is the same as right-clicking. In some browsers, pressing Ctrl plus F10 will open up the menu options at the very top of the screen. Pressing Ctrl plus F10 while in Microsoft Word or Excel will make the window toggle between bigger and smaller sizes. Pressing F11 will put the window that you're currently in into full screen mode. You can tell this has worked because the bar at the top and the bottom of the screen has disappeared. Repeat the action to take it out of full screen mode. Pressing Alt plus F11 while in any Microsoft product will take you into VBA. Pressing Ctrl plus F11 while in Excel opens up a new tab. Pressing F12 while in a Microsoft Office program will open the Save As box. Pressing Ctrl plus F12 while in a Microsoft program will open the Open File box. This allows you to select a file to open.